Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes.
Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is mock test 1, focusing on our common bond. You'll be answering 20 questions to test your knowledge. Must answer all 5 Australian values questions correctly. Need to score at least 75% overall to pass. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. Who are considered Australia's first inhabitants? A. British settlers. B. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. C. Chinese immigrants. The correct answer is Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Why do many people want to become Australian citizens? A. Because Australia has no rules to follow. B. Because Australian values create a secure and prosperous society. C. Because citizenship provides free housing for all. The correct answer is because Australian values create a secure and prosperous society. When did the first fleet of convict ships arrive in Australia? A. The 26th of January, 1788. B. The 4th of July, 1776. C. The 1st of January, 1800. The correct answer is the 26th of January, 1788. Which of the following is not an Australian value? A. Respect. B. Fairness. C. Discrimination. The correct answer is discrimination. Which event began in 1851 in Australia? A. The establishment of the Commonwealth. B. The Gold Rush. C. The arrival of the First Fleet. The correct answer is the Gold Rush. What is the significance of Australian citizenship? A. It allows people to live in Australia without following any rules. B. It means upholding and living by Australian values in daily life and the community. C. It guarantees financial support from the government. The correct answer is it means upholding and living by Australian values in daily life and the community. Where are Torres Strait Islander people from? A. Mainland Australia. B. Islands between Queensland and Papua New Guinea. C. Tasmania. The correct answer is islands between Queensland and Papua New Guinea. Why are Australian values important for the country? A. They help people become wealthy. B. They ensure people can live freely and peacefully. C. They encourage competition over cooperation. The correct answer is they ensure people can live freely and peacefully. What is a key aspect of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander cultures? A. Deep connection with the land. B. Deep connection with technology. C. Emphasis on urban living. The correct answer is deep connection with the land. What are the core values that underpin Australian society? A. Freedom, respect, fairness, and equality of opportunity. B. Wealth, status, and power. C. Obedience, tradition, and conformity. The correct answer is freedom, respect, fairness, and equality of opportunity. What is the principle of democracy? A. Rule of one. B. Rule of the few. C. Rule of the majority. The correct answer is rule of the majority. Who can influence the Australian Electoral Commission, AEC? A. No one, as the AEC is independent of the government. B. Political parties. C. The Prime Minister. The correct answer is no one, as the AEC is independent of the government. What type of government system does Australia have? A. Monarchy. B. Dictatorship. C. Parliamentary democracy. The correct answer is parliamentary democracy. Who is responsible for conducting federal elections and referendums in Australia? A. The Australian Electoral Commission, AEC. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Police. The correct answer is the Australian Electoral Commission, AEC. Where does the power of the government come from in a parliamentary democracy? A. The military. B. The monarchy. C. The people. The correct answer is the people. What happens if you are not correctly enrolled to vote? A. You cannot vote in an election. B. You can still vote if you explain why. C. You can vote as long as you have identification. The correct answer is you cannot vote in an election. What must representatives in Parliament do in a parliamentary democracy? A. Make their own decisions without consulting the people. B. Answer to the people through elections. C. Follow orders from the monarchy. The correct answer is answer to the people through elections. Why is voting important in Australia's parliamentary democracy? A. It allows citizens to have a say in how Australia is governed. B. It is only a recommendation, not a requirement. C. It is optional for citizens. The correct answer is it allows citizens to have a say in how Australia is governed. What does the rule of law mean in Australia? A. Some people are above the law. B. Everyone is equal under the law. C. Only government officials must obey the law. The correct answer is everyone is equal under the law. At what age must Australian citizens enrol to vote? A. 18 years or over. B. 16 years old. C. 21 years old. The correct answer is 18 years or over.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.